Immediately, Sacrifice 2.0, grabbing a ton of cubes. Getting ready to line up and score these. Meanwhile, Mechanical Thunder also getting some more cubes. And Sacrifice 2.0 managed to get 2 cubes into the goal already. Meanwhile, Mechanical Thunder getting some purple cubes into the robot and knocking off these red cubes. As we get to 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. Tons of cubes getting into these scoring zones. We've got 6 in here. Meanwhile, Mechanical Thunder is getting ready to score these purple cubes. As we get to the last 20 seconds, Mechanical Thunder drops in. Looks like 3 cubes into that goal. They're also lining up to score some greens. The last 10 seconds of this match, Mechanical Thunder lifts up, drops their greens in. Can they manage to get the partial perfect time with 3 seconds left? And they both get it. Alright, qualification match number 90. We have 7-5, 7-8, 5C.